Hello fellow bugs, it is I Purple Titk once again, bringing you an ultimate banger and my first voyage, into showcasing my hobbies and builds. To start off this style of videos, I am posting a quick showcase of my small water-cooled PC. I designed, created, and assembled this computer. I did so to force myself to learn water cooling and push the boundaries of Mini ITX. The build contains the following specs. Ryzen 5 5600X, RTX 2060, (32 GB DDR4), (1 TB SSD NVMe M.2 boot drive), (2 TB SSD NVMe M.2 secondary drive), Gigabyte Aorus X570 Mini ITX motherboard, G-Unique 500 with mini power supply, all inside a custom-made Laser 3D LZ7. For more details on the build, and particularly the water cooling and case components, smash that bell, subscribe, like, share, consume, and eat some grass to this video. Hopefully you all found this entertaining and inspiring. Push the boundaries. Purple Titk out.